Hey guys, what's up? Yeah, most of you already know I've crashed in the last race and I still raced with my bike that was a little bit questionable, but yeah, we've managed to go there, score a few points, and we found a bike, a potential bike that would be a donor for Fenix in order to get her ready to race for the next round. We are just leaving Auckland now. We're gonna go all the way down to Wanganui to check this bike out, and then I will show you guys the process as we go. And yeah, hope to get this deal and see if the bike is gonna help us fix the other one. Sweet, come with us, let's enjoy the journey. Yay! Yeah, finally we've got the first part done. I will show you guys what we've got. We went to my friend Peter, and that's what we have now. Sorry it's a bit dark, but we've got all the molds for the fairings. I will show you guys tomorrow when we get back home, but we have all the pieces to make our own fairings from now on, so I'm pretty stoked. Thanks a lot, Peter, for helping me out on this one. And yeah, let's continue the journey all the way down to Wanganui to get the bike. Yeah. What's up, guys? Yeah, we've got it. We have our brand new race bike just in the back. Can you show them the bike from here?
There's a mattress in the way.
Yeah, that's fine. We're gonna show you guys the bike afterwards, but it is a 2008 R6 with 25,000 Ks. It's still road legal, okay? So the bike has registration and everything, a license plate, all the stuff. My plan now is get home, check if the bike works, check some oil on it, run it, and see what bits and pieces we need to make it a road and a race bike. That's really cool. So now we're gonna go meet our friend Hayden from Mixem. I was excited to meet him because he's a guy that's supporting us a lot. So yeah, let's see how it goes. How it go. Come with us. Yeah, guys. Finally got the bike. We went to Wanganui to pick up from our friend, and the bike is loaded. I'm gonna show you real quick, but we've used this opportunity that we were coming down to meet one of our sponsors, Mixem. They are helping us a lot throughout this season, and I hope to continue having him on board with us. So this is Hayden. Hayden is the owner of Mixem. We've been in contact for a while, and then we finally have an opportunity to catch up. So Mixem is a vape juice company in New Zealand, and they are really known here and really respected brand. So yeah, this is Hayden. Hayden, thanks a lot for helping us.
No worries, man.
And we're gonna see you in the next race.
Yep.
Taupo, yeah?
Definitely.
Cool. So now let's go back there. So we've loaded it. We did sleep last night in the van on the road, waiting for the guy to open his business so we could get the bike. So this is a 2008 R6. This bike is still road legal, but what we're gonna do is we are still deciding if we should build this bike with the parts from Fenix or just transplant the good parts from here to the other chassis and then make it work. But this is the bike. I'm gonna unload it when we get home and show you guys in detail, okay? As well as all the fairings. So we're gonna have a lot of work put into those guys. So those are the molds that we're gonna put some gel coat, fiberglass, and then remove and fit in the bike. But that's it. So we are now in Bose, where we came here to meet Hayden, and we're gonna head home. I will keep you guys updated when we get there, unload the bike. I will also show you what is the condition of Fenix. I didn't go through it, I just unloaded it to come straight down and pick this other bike. Yep, keep following us, leave the like, subscribe, and then hit me up in the comments if you have any questions or any suggestions or anything. Any feedback is really appreciated. Yeah boys, desert road. There's desert road in New Zealand connecting south of North Island to north of North Island. There is no one around, just cars flying by, and it's a fucking amazing view. Just enjoy. What's up guys? We've arrived in Auckland yesterday. It was a mission and a half, to be honest with you. We left Auckland Friday 5 p.m. We got all the traffic all the way down to Papakura, which was like 1.5 hours to make like 30 minutes worth driving. Arrived in Taupo, got the fairings from Peter, left Taupo around 10-ish, something like that. Or yes, I'm around 10. Drove all the way down to Wanganui, slept in front of our friend's house, collected the bike, went to meet Hayden from Mixham, and then drove straight back home. was a mission. But yeah, I will show you the bike and the bits that we've got, and we will unload the bike and start assessing Fenix and checking this bike to see what is the plan. This is the bike. A few parts are compatible, a few parts are not, so we're gonna find out what to use and what to do. Few goodies like rear sets and carbon fiber bits and pieces. It still has the road stuff on it, so it's gonna be a mission to unload it because I don't have the clutch lever, which I'm planning on putting one now, and we don't have the brake master cylinder, so we don't have front brakes yet. And so to unload, put the clutch and then put it in gear and then control it with the clutch. I will show you, those are the modes that we've got from Peter. So I will show you guys when I unload everything and have everything ready to go. Yeah, we've got our clutch done, so I will show you here. So this guy was missing this bolt here, and I've got this spare from my other bike, so I did use this spare, connected the clutch cable, just this temporarily, just to make sure that the clutch lever stays here, and tied this guy here so it doesn't move around while unloading. Cool, the bike is unloaded, the clutch trick worked, so there you go. This is the bike, nice condition, a little scarps here and there, but that's it. Now I'm gonna install the spools in here so I can put it on a stand and then change the oil and start this beast. There you go, brand new oil. Bike is warming up. That is really cool. Lights on. Yeah, boy. Yeah, guys, we've got the bike running. So this is the new bike. You can see here. I'm gonna go around and all the joints. So just for comparison purpose, okay. This is the new mounting points. In here goes on the side because the windscreen on this bike goes on the side, okay. And this is Fenix. So in order to get back on the race, we had to make a lot of reinforcement brackets here and make this questionable stuff to zip it together, because you can see that this bolt is not bolting anything. This guy here, it's broken. This guy here, it's okay, but this is broken, was holding the top piece. Also on this other side, we didn't have this mounting here anymore, and nothing to bolt here. As well as the front, this guy is still in place, the mountings are good. The steering damper, it's moving up and down, and this guy here, actually, if you see really close, see, so the nut, the bolt is bent. What else? Now to the big part. This guy got squished from the top, so the crash was flipped to the bike, and the bike hit this part down, so what there was completely upside down, and this guy got smashed here. It's not leaking, which is good, but yeah, I don't know what to do for this guy. Also the front, I don't know if it is noticeable though on the video, but in real, like in person, you can tell that it's bent just a little bit, but it is. I will try to get this bike running for the next race and then prepare the other one. So yeah, I will try to get Fenix ready for the next race and prepare the other one for the other series that is coming up. But yeah, at this stage I'm just finishing, like, understanding what is wrong with it, and if we can get it running again. I will take the tank out and see the air box, just the air filter might be the reason that the bike was not performing, because it was just not going. And I turn it on here, and you can hear it struggling to rev up, But yeah, let's go from there. But to adapt the fairings on that bike is gonna be a hard job. Dylan Telford from TR20, they were the ones that installed those fairings on my bike. So they did all the work, like trimming the chassis and making sure that everything would fit. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated as we go. But today I just took the day to understand where and on what I'm working with, sorry. But yeah, there you go. Thanks for following us, and yeah.